Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to have discussion that how we have to use at, in and on. ठीक है, these are very much important prepositions and most time हम लोग इन preposition को use करने में mistake कर देते हैं, especially students. Now we have to understand today that where we have to use at, in and on. Okay. Now let's have discussion that how we have to use these preposition in reference of time. Starting with at. See, at is used for a precise time. In, it is used for months, years, centuries, long periods, for seasons, etc. On is used for days, dates or specific day. We use on. Let us see now at. At is, right now I told you people that at is used for precise time, right? For example, at 8:30 a.m., at noon, at sunrise, at the moment, at dinner time, at 4 o'clock. Example, for example, I have a meeting at 8:30 a.m. Second example is that shop closes at noon. Richa went home at lunch time. So for these precise time we use at. Never get confused. Got it? Now we have in. In, right now I said it is used for months, years, centuries and long periods. For example, in June, in winter, in 1890, in 1999, in 2000, in 2001, in 2020, in modern age, in the future, in 1990s. So for example, let us understand this also with an example. As I say, do you think we will go to Saturn in the future? There should be a lot of progress in the next century. I will be going to New York in May 2020. In the past, for future, we are using in. Got it? Now for on is used for days and dates. For example, let me first explain this with an example. You say, right, do you work on Sundays? On Sundays, it's a day. Another example, Disha's birthday is on 27 December. This is an example of on. Another example, where will you be on Republic Day? On Republic Day. ठीक है? For these sentences, we are using on. Like on Monday, on 7th May, on 7th September, on 10th December, on 8th December, on 4 October, on 15 August, on 14 August, on 27 April, on 27th July, on 28 April, etc. For these specific dates, we are using on. और on is used for dates. ठीक है? On का use dates के लिए किया जाता है. On 4th December 2020. For this we are using on. Got it? On Christmas Day. On New Year Eve. For example, let's have a party on New Year's Eve. We use on right over here. ठीक है? Before, let me tell you the another reference of preposition. First, you should keep the important point in your mind that last, next, every के साथ at, in और on का यूज नहीं होता, नहीं किया जाता है. किस किस के साथ? लास्ट, नेक्स्ट, एवरी. के साथ at, in या on का यूज नहीं होता, नहीं किया जाता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I went to New York last May. क्या बोला अभी राइट नाउ? अभी तक हमने जो देखा था, इनके लिए हम क्या यूज़ कर रहे थे? जून, मंथ वगैरह के लिए जो भी मंथ्स थे उनके लिए हम इन यूज़ कर रहे थे, राइट? इन. वैसे ही अभी राइट नाउ आई गिव द एग्जाम्पल दैट आई वेंट टू न्यूयॉर्क लास्ट मे. Why I haven't said that I went to New York in last May? No, you don't have to say in last May. It will be I went to New York last May. Last, next, every के साथ at, in और on का यूज नहीं होता. Remember that. Another example देखो. He is coming back next Monday. Next Monday. Why I haven't said that he is coming back on next Monday? No, it will be not so. Next, every, last के साथ आप at, in, on का यूज नहीं करोगे. Another example let us have. That is, I go home every Easter. You don't have to use the word that I go home at every Easter. Every के साथ you don't have to use at, in or on. Remember that. Next, last, every के साथ आपका at, in, on का use नहीं होगा. ठीक है? This was the important point. Remember that this, students. Now we have another use of preposition in reference of place. At is used for a point. In is used for an enclosed space. On is used for a surface. Now let us understand at. At right now I said that it is used for a point, right? जैसे कि for example, at the door, at the corner, at the top of the page, at the end of the road, at the entrance, at the crossroads. You are using at, means it is used for a point. For example, if I say that Rubina is waiting for you at the bus stop. You don't have to say in the bus stop, on the bus stop. No, my dear. It is Rubina is waiting for you at the bus stop. You have to use at for a point. That he is standing at the door. You don't have to say he is standing in the door, on the door. No, he is standing at the door. ठीक है? Now, another second one we have, that is in. In is used for an enclosed space. For an enclosed space. For example, जैसे कि in the garden, in Delhi, in India, in a box, in my pocket, in my wallet, in a building, in a car. ठीक है? You are using in because in is used for an enclosed space. जैसे कि for example let us have, that is, do you live in India? I have a meeting in Dubai. Do you work in a company? We are using in right over here for an enclosed space. Saturn या फिर Jupiter. Jupiter is in the solar system. This is an enclosed space. So for this we use in. Got it? Now another one, that is we have on. On is used for a surface. For example, on the wall, on the door, on the ceiling, on the cover, on the floor, on the carpet, on the menu, on a page, on the floor. For on is used for a surface के लिए आप on को use करेंगे. For example, there was a no smoking sign on the wall. So on is used here for a surface. There are no prices on this menu. So it is used for a surface, right? Also over here. Example, that is you are standing on my foot. This is also an example for on. ठीक है. The author, another example, like the author's name is on the cover of the book. हमारे पास बुक्स होती है, we have written authors के नेम लिखे होते हैं सामने आगे वाली बुक पे, फ्रंट पेज पे we can take in the front of the cover. So उसके लिए आप ऑथर का नेम देखते हैं. So for that, what sentence you will be using? It will be the author's name is on the cover of the book. That is very easy. So अभी आपने क्या क्या देखा? इन का यूज, ऑन का यूज, एट का यूज. ठीक है, इन रेफरेंस ऑफ प्लेस. एंड बिफोर दिस वी हैव स्टडीड हाउ वी हैव टू यूज एट, इन एंड ऑन in reference of time. Got it? This is very much easy. Dear ones, try to study whatever you are studying deeply, thoroughly by going through your books. ठीक है? Try to understand that what actually the sentence is asking to you. Got it? So this one was easy. If you people have any doubt, tell me below in the comment box, and do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And I hope आपको पता चला होगा कि at, in, on का यूज कैसे किया जाता है. This was easy. Now my question to you people is that what you will be using, I have a meeting dash Mumbai. What you will be using right over here, tell me below in the comment box. Thank you.